inside Myeondong and there's a long line, so we have to wait. You can see here, the line. After you're done eating, they kick you out because they need to make more room for other people. So, just waiting. We order our food. Got the kimchi and the noodles. So this place you had to pay before you eat. Their kimchi is really super spicy with the garlic in it. And then you can get unlimited noodles. They give you this xylitol. Sounds like chemical, but it's actually just your basic minty gum. This was by far the best noodles, kalguksu I've had in my entire life, hands down. You guys need to come here. Signing off. It's the SK building, which is basically like one of the big corporations that controls everything. Like we have General Electric, or General Motors, and GE, Ford, you know, those types of companies. Warner Brothers, etc., etc. And we're kind of out of the thing. It's got like it's a little.
여기 이 물길을 살려놓은 거예요.
So basically, a president saved this river and demolished what was built on top of it. He preserved it. It was originally a road, and he saved it. Pretty cool. We don't have anything like this in California, so.
Very long. 7
kilometers. Kilometers. Can't really see it very well. The moon's really big right now. It's one of the biggest. It is the biggest, the brightest in the year. So there it is. The cool thing about the subway here is they have these glass sliding doors, so you can't fall inside the subway and kill yourself if you wanted to. A lot of people throw these things open. Watch. Bam! Going back home now.